Hey guys, welcome back to Enoble Kendra. And in this video, we are going to be talking about a balanced diet. A balanced diet is very important. If you don't have a balanced diet, then you will get many diseases further on. So let's go more deep into the topic, balanced diet. A balanced diet means a diet which contains nutrition in a correct proportion. On the right, I'm going to show you what a balanced diet looks like. That's a picture of a balanced diet. So we can see on the left, we can see in one small space, we can see bread, potatoes, etc. Let's move to the below of that. We can see fish, turkey, sausages, eggs, ham, etc. Let's move to the right side of that picture. Wait, that's my favorite, candy. Now let's move to the right side of that picture too. Oh, I can see milk and yogurt. Then let's move to the above of that picture. We can see fruits and vegetables. So now I'm going to talk about various nutrients our body needs. Our body needs carbohydrates, proteins, fats, dairy, vitamins, and minerals. So let's look at the picture once again. Okay, here is the picture. Can you see the breads? That side is called the carbohydrates. Vegetables and fruits, that is called vitamins and minerals. Candy, that is called fats. Ooh, can you see the big fish? Yes, that is proteins. Yogurt, that is dairies. So, the difference between good and a bad diet. Bad diet and a good diet. Let's look into a bad diet. A bad diet doesn't give you proper amount of nutrition you need. You will fall sick easily if you have a bad diet. You will be obese. You will have many problems later on. Now let's look at a good diet. You will get good and the correct amount of nutrition. You won't fall sick easily. You will remain fit. You will be healthy. So again, difference between good and a bad diet. As you can see in this picture, a girl choosing what to eat. A good fairy is saying to eat a good thing, and a bad fairy is saying to eat bad thing. Which fairy will you listen to? Which one is a healthy diet and which one is a bad one? Okay, so the picture came in a little late. Come on, picture, why do you come late? Okay, so let's see it in the picture. Can you see a good fairy? The good fairy is the white fairy, and the bad fairy is the red fairy. We can see that the red fairy is saying the girl to eat junk food like hamburgers, cake. Ooh, wait, can I see that? Ice cream. Oh. And the good fairy is saying us to eat fruits, vegetables, and many more things. So, which fairy will you listen to? We know that the bad fairy is giving you the tasty and good side, but the good fairy is making you fit and nice. In future, you will be healthy too. Well, I don't know what you will listen to, but I will listen to the good fairy because I think I should make my future good. And even if I eat those vegetables right now, once in a while I can also eat the bad fairy's food too, because once in a while is fine. So now, which one is the healthy diet and which one is the bad one? I can see it clearly. Pause the video and think. The healthy diet is what the good fairy is saying you to eat, because we can see that that's a balanced diet. There's all the nutrients we need, proteins, carbohydrates, everything is there. Oh, and we can obviously say if the good fairy is the healthy diet, then the bad fairy is the bad diet. Okay, let's move on. Thank you for seeing this video. Before you leave, please like and subscribe to our channel. Also ring the notification bell to stay in touch with our YouTube videos. So, bye!